All right, hello, I'm back, Grandma. Putting a lot out here because I missed so much and I still have a lot to go, so hang with me. I still want to do a little other algebra and a few other things too. So, looking at problem number 1, we have the angle MPO or OPM. Doesn't matter. P has to be in the center because that's where the two rays meet. And then we actually have MPO. Angle MPO is made up of angle MPN plus angle NPO. This one and this one make up the total. They must equal the total. And we know from that little box that MPO is 90 degrees. Well, MPN is the x plus 40 plus NPO is just x. Now, our geometry is over. Now we're only dealing with algebra. So to find the measures, we have to use the algebra. So 1x plus 1x is 2x. So 90 equals 2x plus 40. Notice I combined like terms before I started going across the equal sign. So don't forget that. I see that happen a lot with students. You're in such a hurry to finish that you go across the equal sign and you leave something out there, then you do something totally different with that. I haven't figured that out yet, but we're okay. We're going to get there. So now, since this is plus 40 and I need to remove it from there, I'm going to subtract 40. And remember, what I do to one side, I must do to the other one. So that says 50 equals 2x. And remember, the 2 and the x are combined together by multiplication. 2 times x is 2x. So we divide by 2, so x equals 25 degrees. So since this is 25 degrees, and above we have x plus 40, which is 25 plus 40 degrees, or 65 degrees. And when we combine those two, we get 90 degrees. So the measure of MPN is 65 degrees. And the measure of NPO is 25 degrees. And once we add those together, we get 90 degrees. Now, there's one other thing that I wanted to talk about, and that's number 2 over here. And we're still dealing with complementary angles. So let's look at this. And this will help make some distinction. We know this box, forget my drawing, this box means that this is 90 degrees, so that cannot be complementary. That's already 90 degrees. Complementary angles are when you add 2 or more angles together and they equal 90 degrees. So that means the only complementary angles for number 2 is angle of the 55 degrees. Well, we have the 55 degrees plus the 35 degrees, and when we add those together, we get 90 degrees. So 55 and 35 are complements of each other. You subtract one from the other, or you add them to, you subtract one from the other, you get a measure of what one is with respect to 90 degrees. If you add them together, you get exactly 90 degrees. See you soon.